afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the honest real user review of this kitchen oil proof waterproof wallpapers or the stickers, you can say. See here, this is after 1 year of application. See, this was ordered on July 16th 2024 and today it was like 14 July 2025, almost like 1 year, just 2 days. Yeah, so I'll be showing how are these after 1 year of usage. See, now it is 250, 10 rupees less. And the application area, see here, from this point to all the inner shelves, the user applied this total sheets on the cement application only. See, from here, this is the oil proof glossy look. See, and for the past 1 year, see, you can see this is the self-adhesive wallpapers of granite look, and this part is granite, and this sheet is exactly matching this granite. That's the reason user bought this and applied 1 year ago, and still there were no issues. Means still the adhesive is okay, the wallpapers got stick to the walls, and whenever if the water spills on that surface, actually there used to be a small leakage like water here and this kitchen pipe hole. Whenever there is some water leakage, there used to be surface clumsiness, and once these wallpapers were stick to the walls, now it is looking fine. And many are asking like, were they durable? Means after the application, how long this self-adhesive sticks to the walls? So it's been 1 year and still this was very nice, and there was no maintenance, and you can clean with the water also, not exactly water, with the wet cloth also you can clean the surface so that it gives you your glossy look. See, these are the sheets and these are the online details. KROYWEN Nature Black Wallpaper. Not exactly this, you can buy any of the according to your color combinations. As this is matching with the granite at the top, the user purchase this according to your wish. You can go, and the material is vinyl. They're saying easy to apply. Just you need to just peel off this, and there will be a back paper, and once you peel off this you can apply. If you want a tutorial video on how to apply, I'll be dropping the link in the description. There is another video which shows you the how to apply tutorial of this kitchen wallpaper stickers, which are waterproof and oil proof. Yeah, if you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.